Alright, so to take the derivative of this function, we have to put, well, basically what we have to do is the e, we got to get rid of the,
Okay, so
this x right there. You see that x? Okay. In order to get the differentiation, we have to put 2 in front. And then we put, okay, 2.
The derivative of
and then
2x is the same.
The derivative of e2x is just e2x. So then it'll be like this. Which, if we multiply 2 with e2x, we'll get 2e2x.
The derivative of 2x stays the same as
Alright, so what we're trying to do is that we're trying to find the differentiation of e radical x. Alright, we keep the e radical x, because we are trying to find the differentiation. And the differentiation of e radical x is e radical x. Alright, but now what we gotta do with the x is that we have to find the what square root is. Alright, so square root is,
since this is our x,
is
we just
1/2 right there.
put
You
a
see?
1 over it.
Alright, so now what we're gonna do is that since we're gonna differentiate, we're gonna put the 1/2 in front of the x,
get the derivative,
and then have negative 1/2,
which would be
because we're subtracting by negative 1. Alright? So now what we do is that we square this because this is our answer.
Plus negative 3x.
Alright? Which is what's right here.
Negative 3x, which is negative 3.
My crappy error, I'm sorry. Alright, so in this problem we're basically doing the same thing as the other two. What happens is we get the derivative for each the first function, just right there,
comes to the front, and then you subtract
x squared.
1 from 4
Alright,
and leave
so what we do is that in order to find the differentiation, it's 2x,
you multiply
right? And then we find the
derivative
we leave the second problem alone.
Ln is 1 over x,
and then we add, because we're using the rule, right? And then we leave the first function alone and change the second one. What's the derivative of
as I said before,
e negative x? Nothing.
Equals 1 over
e negative
x,
x stays the same.
We put
and
the
then the
back
derivative, and then in order to, we need to find x. X equals negative 1. So, and then this would leave us to our answer right there.
So it would be x to
Alright, so I'm pretty sure by now you know that ln equals 1 over x. Alright, so what we do is that when we get 1 over x, we put the rest of the problem, which is our x, we put it under the 1 because this is x, right? Okay, so this is what we do here. And then we find what's the inside the parentheses right here. Okay, so x equals 1 plus e negative 3x. Okay, now we find the derivative of negative 3x and it equals negative 3. After we find that, all we have to do is multiply this to the top, or add, put it in there. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so then after multiplying it, we just keep the bottom the same, and that's it. Alright, so the first thing we do is we get the derivative of the outside function. The derivative of the outside function is 4, so we put 4 on this side and subtract the 4 by 1. And just leave the lx in there. Then we get ln x, and it goes 1 over x plus 4 ln x put 4 over x. After that, all we have to do is multiply 1 over x to 4 ln x over 3. I mean over 3. Cubed, I'm sorry. And then 4x. And then all we have to do is put the answers, blah, blah. I'm sorry. Sorry.